Welcome to Autodesk Lesson 1, Fusion 360 Installation and Setup. Get ready to dive into the world of 3D design. Did you know you can get started with 3D design for free? Learn the beginner setup for Fusion 360 in under 3 minutes. First things first, let's download Autodesk Fusion 360. Head over to the official Autodesk site. Remember, Fusion 360 is free for hobbyists and personal non-commercial use. Make sure you select the correct license during sign-up or download. Follow the on-screen installation prompts. It's a straightforward process, but pay attention to where the software is being installed. Once installed, launch Fusion 360. You're just a few clicks away from starting your first design. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Autodesk account. If you don't have one, you can easily create one. After logging in, you can start a new design. This will open up your main workspace. Let's take a quick tour of the Fusion 360 interface. Understanding the layout is key to efficient design. You can switch between different workspaces like Design, Model, and Mesh. Each workspace offers specialized tools for different tasks. On the left side is the browser pane. This is where you manage your components, bodies, and sketches for your design. We've covered the installation, setup, and a brief tour of the interface. You are now ready for the next step. Your Fusion 360 canvas is ready. It's time to start creating. Join me for the next video, where we will dive into the fundamentals of 2D sketching, the essential starting point for any 3D model. Don't miss out on Lesson 2. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated.